The thing is, sir, you wanted to leave so quickly. We left my fireman back at the station.
What? Oh, dear, oh, dear. Then I shall be your fireman.
What? But, sir, you get dirty.
You can't run a useful railway without getting your hands dirty now and then. What's more important is that we get to London on time. Right, hand me that shovel, my good man, and let's get going. We've no time to lose.
Thomas and the Royal Engine.
Wow, Thomas! Look at you, all spick and span.
What I don't understand is why you, Thomas, were chosen and not me. I know the way to London, after all, and have been there before, you know.
Not the station names again, Gordon.
I just wish they would make up their minds on what to call London Station.
I wonder where we are. Oh, perhaps this is Crewe, where Henry went to be repaired. Or maybe Doncaster, where Gordon was built. Or maybe... Don't you worry about me. As I always say, little engines can do big things.
Yes, they certainly can. Thank you for helping me, Thomas of Sodor.
That's quite all right. Thank you for helping me.
Once my important passengers depart, let me show you to a washdown. Well, that is, I mean, well, if you could give me a push.